Hello everyone. So this week we're going to show you how to remove your gas from your gas tank. You can actually buy this from Dewey off of Amazon. This is a great tool. You don't have to mess with no pumps, no sparks off your battery or anything like that. And it will pull the gas right out of that tank. And it's so user friendly. And it's as simple as that. You don't have no sparks. You typically won't need this. And this is what if you had your car sitting all winter and then you get a layer of ethanol, this is what we're trying to pull out of there. A lot of people like stable, like enzymes and stuff like that. I believe if you fill your car up full of premium gas, you will not run into any problem, and you fill it all the way up for wintertime. So on extreme cases, I have seen where ethanol has acted like glue inside the hoses. Now, this is an older Kawasaki, so we don't have much pressure on the fuel lines. If you have any EFI, you're dealing with anywhere from 35 PSI to 50 PSI. So when you disconnect the hose, you're gonna have some gas go everywhere. Now you can undo the pigtail to the fuel pump, run it for a little while, and relieve the pressure. So we're gonna go in here, we're going to clean everything out and make sure all that old gas is out, and we're going to install a fuel filter. So what I will do for this, when I want to get all of the ethanol, all of the bad gas out of the tank. So I'll let this thing run, or you can just let what we're doing is using the fuel pump to pump the rest of it out of the lines. All right, now that there is no more fuel coming out of that fuel filter, I want to stop at that point. We'll change the fuel filter. Now, on our Club Car fuel filter, I only run Club Car fuel filters. You will see the arrow, and that tells you fuel should come in here, exit here. And that will make these run bad if you do it the wrong way. So the fuel is coming in and going down to the fuel pump with that arrow. And there was one simple reason that I didn't run it until the bowl was empty, because I noticed a lot of times when you run that carburetor until the bowl's empty, you're going to pick up everything off the bottom of that bowl, and then you're going to be coming in and spending $400 with me to put a carb on it. So don't run it. Just run it until the filter's empty, and then change the filter, and then add new fuel. And that is how we change the bad gas out of our cars. So with that said, I would like to end with, there are 19 million children that live in a single parent home. So maybe some of us can become mentors and find the results will be gratifying. Until the next round.